All right, boys, we are taking the ecodiesel to the dealership. We've got a receipt from our Mopar powertrain factory crate engine. Let's see what happens. Well, it's a cloudy day so far, you guys. Not really typical of SoCal, but it's what we're dealing with. Might be one of the last few times we're gonna be out this way, so kind of crazy to think that it might only be like a few more weeks and then this type of scenery is not gonna be anymore. Bunch of new Jeeps, so I think we might be in the right place. And here we go, guys. So let me get in there, figure this out, and I'll keep you guys updated on what they say. All right, well, we're out of the dealership, you guys, so they're gonna work on that for me and let me know, which I will obviously keep you guys posted on the situation. But I was talking to my friends in the back that are mechanics and whatnot, and they suggested that I get rid of this thing while it still runs. They've had more than their fair share of these engines in there. And even the leaks on the front, like, so he said he took a look, he said it looks like it's leaking from the front timing cover, which is a big job. It's all gonna come apart. And he said that the RTV they use isn't that good, and they use a better RTV when they reseal them, but it's a common issue that it leaks from the front timing cover. We got the redneck special there. But anyways, that's kind of where I'm at. It's a little bit unfortunate that it's gonna be that case. I don't know, I was really looking forward to keeping this thing. And the other thing too is I don't know, we're gonna find out as well. As I mentioned to you guys, like, this truck is salvage title. It was already fixed up when I got it, but it looks like, you know, Dodge or Ram or whatever might try to avoid, you know, dodge the warranty just because the truck itself is salvage, which doesn't make any sense to me. Like, I understand the rest of the truck, but the fact that the engine is brand new, purchased directly from them, the engine should have the warranty. I don't think they should try to back out of the warranty on the engine just because the rest of the truck, you know, the title of the truck, it doesn't make any sense to me. But that's kind of what I was hearing, so we're gonna look into that, make sure it's not gonna be an issue. Obviously, you know, if you have friends at dealerships, it probably helps a little bit, you know, like that one. But if I'm out on the road and something happens to this truck, I want to find out if they're going to try to fight me on the warranty if I'm, you know, in the out of state or traveling with the trailer and this thing lets go, if it's going to be an issue. So hoping to get those answers for you, but that's where we're at right now. Let's get back. Oh, little accidente. Ford Ranger up on the curb. Oh, McDonald's? No, not today, you guys, not today. That's road trip food. We ain't road tripping. And just like that, we're back. One thing I did want to show you is our boy Quentin over there at the dealership. He hooked us up with another one of these crates. So they had one of these empty. So I'm going to take this out. Only thing is they're kind of made to not have an oil pan on it, but I'm going to see and take some measurements. We might be able to fit the Hellcat one in here, but it might sit a little bit funny. But either way, we've got one. So I'm going to take it out, measure it, clean it up, and we'll see what we got. All right, well, it's been a little bit hectic, and as you guys can understand, I've got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of phone calls with everything going on here, but ended up cleaning up this crate. So she's all clean now. I just kind of degreased it, made it all clean. I think what I'm gonna do is, even though I don't think this has the height to clear the blower, I think I kind of figured out I'll put this engine, put the Hellcat engine in that crate. I don't think the lid's gonna fully sit down, and I think it's gonna sit kind of crooked a little bit. I'll try to put some wood under here, but you can see the sump, it sits a lot lower than the bell housing. So I'm not sure how low that's gonna sit in that thing. And then this is the pallet that I had from the ecodiesel, and I was looking at it, and since the oil pan is like super flat on the bottom of this Viper engine, I'll take off the transmission and then I'll put it on the pallet. I might just put some cardboard down on this just so it's kind of got a little bit of a cushion, but I'll put it down and I can just strap it to that, because I was taking some measurements. I don't think the Viper motor will fit in that box. I could probably, you know, throw it in there, but it's going to be sitting all crazy, and I don't think it's going to fit lengthwise. This motor obviously is 2 cylinders longer than the Hellcat motor, but I think it'll fit beautifully on here, exactly like you see there. And I can strap it. And then the transmissions, I can just put these on these little Harbor Freight dollies like you see here and move them around. They're pretty easy. So probably just do the same thing, put it on the dolly, I can move it around, and then these things sit flat on the floor. So that'll be the situation there. Also, as far as the ecodiesel goes, I'll keep you guys updated on that situation once I hear back. I've kind of come to the realization that given the failure rate of those trucks, if I don't have warranty, at least the warranty that we should have, I think righteously so, we should have the 3-year 100,000 mile warranty that it was advertised with. If I don't have that, we'll probably end up using the ecodiesel for the interim, probably get the move done and all that stuff, and then I will probably sell it while it still works, because it's probably going to be a matter of time before it fails. But comment down below what you guys think. I think ultimately we'll probably get into a Ram 2500 Cummins. I think that's going to be the next logical step for us, but I do really like the truck. It's just unfortunate. I like the fuel economy. I like the power that it has towing for what we're towing at the moment. But if I don't have any reassurance or warranty backing that engine, I don't think I'm going to take the risk, unfortunately. So that's where I'm at with that, but I'll keep you guys posted as I get more details in the next few days. And in other news, I've got a million things on the go amongst getting organized and all that stuff. I did pick up one of these things, you guys. I haven't even opened it. This is a Draggy. So you can see there, Draggy 10 hertz it says. So if you guys haven't heard about these things, essentially it's like a performance thing. A lot of guys use it, even like, you know, 2,000 horsepower Vipers I've seen using the Draggy thing. You hook it up to an app on your phone. You put the record on your phone on the dash, and it picks up your GPS signal, and it gives you 0 to 60 times, 1/8 mile times, and also like 1/4 mile times, maybe even 1/2 mile times. I don't know if I've really looked into it that much, but I thought it'd be kind of cool since, you know, I got a lot of stuff going on right now, but I could probably use a Draggy on the Viper. I could use the Draggy on the ecodiesel for fun. I could also use the Draggy on the SRT10. So I'll be able to deliver you guys some kind of cool content, you know, some real world numbers for us. And, you know, it's not going to be a lot of work to do that. So I can probably get you guys one of those each day. So look forward to showing you guys that process. And I'll also do an unboxing. Like I said, today I'm kind of dealing with this stuff, and I'll probably have another video for you guys of me messing around with these, getting this in here, but I want to get a video out for you guys at least so you guys can see what I'm up to. So yeah, Draggy unboxing video, and then we'll do some different runs in the different vehicles. But comment down below which Draggy run you guys want to see the most. SRT10 Viper Draggy run, Viper car run, or the ecodiesel Draggy run. I'd be curious to know. We're going to run it on all of them, and then we'll also run it on the Hellcat once we end up back over there at the truck. But just getting organized, like I said, a few more weeks, and then looks like we'll be out of here. So that's what I'm up to. Comment down below any questions you guys have, and we'll see you guys on the next video.